I heard a robin this morning. I'm feeling happy today. I'm gonna put my cares in a whistle, blow them all away. What if I've been unlucky? Really, I ain't got a thing. But there's a time I always feel happy as a king. When the red, red robin starts bobbing along, along. There'll be no more sobbing when he starts robbing his own sweet song. Wake up, you sleepyhead, get up, get up, get out of bed, cheer up, cheer up. The sun is red, live, love, laugh and be happy. What if I've been blue? Now I'm walking through fields of flowers. Rain may glisten, but still I listen for hours and hours. I'm just a kid again, doing what I did again, singing a song. When the red, red robin starts bobbing along. When the red, red robin starts bobbing along, along. There'll be no more stopping when he starts robbing his own sweet song. Wake up, you sleepyhead, cheer up, cheer up. The sun is red, cheer up. Come on, get out of bed, live, love, laugh and be happy. What if I've been blue? Now I'm walking through fields of flowers. Rain may glisten, but still I listen for hours and hours. I'm just a kid again, doing what I did again, singing a song. When the red, red robin starts bobbing along. Wait a minute, give me a chance, folks. You ain't heard nothing yet. You ain't heard a thing. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to sing you a little song I haven't sung for about 2 or 3 years. A little ballad. I think you'll like it. April Showers, if you please, Professor. Life is not a highway strewn with flowers, till it holds a goodly share of bliss. When the sun gives way to April showers, here's a thought we shall never miss. Though April showers may come your way, they bring the flowers that bloom in May. And if it's raining, have no regrets, because it is raining, raining, you know, it's raining violets. And where you see clouds upon the hills, you soon will see crowds of daffodils. So keep on looking for a bluebird and listening for its song. Whenever April showers come along, so April showers may come your way, they bring the flowers that bloom in May. And if it's raining, have no regrets, because it isn't raining rain, you know, it's raining violets. And when you see clouds on the hills, no, they're not clouds, oh no, they're crowds of daffodils. So keep on looking for a bluebird and listening for its song. Whenever April showers come along. Yes, you ain't heard a thing. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to sing you a little song that, as a rule, the folks love to hear me sing. It's a little mammy song, and a very funny thing. People have been making fun of mammy songs, and I don't really think it's right that they should. For after all, mammy songs are the fundamental songs of our country. And not only that, you take John McCormick, the famous radio singer. He sings Mother McCree, and that's a mammy song. And folks, he ain't bad. So if you don't mind, I'm going to sing you my little mammy song, Rockabye, your rockabye, baby, with a Dixie Melody, if you please. Mammy mine, your little rolling stone that rolled away. Mammy mine, your little rolling stone is home today. Let us stay. I want to see your smiling face. Smile a welcome sign. I want to feel your fond embrace. Listen, Mammy mine, rockabye, your baby with a Dixie melody. When you croon a little tune from the heart of Dixie, just hang that cradle, mammy mine, right on that Mason-Dixon line, and swing it from Virginia to Tennessee with all of your soul that's in ya. Greet them all, my ladies, mammy, sing it again for me. And old Black Joe, just as though you heard me on your knee. A million baby kisses I'll deliver if you will only sing the Swanee River. Rockabye, your rockabye baby, with a Dixie melody. Rockabye, oh, rock your little baby with a Dixie melody. When you croon a little tune from the heart of Dixie, just hang that cradle, mammy mine, right on that Mason-Dixon line, and swing it from Virginia to Tennessee with all of the soul that's in your mammy. Listen what they're playing. Weep no more, my lady. Sing it again for me. And you remember old Black Joe, Lord love you, mammy, you sang when I was on your knee. A million baby kisses I'll deliver. Sing the Swanee River. Rockabye, the rockabye baby, with a Dixie melody.